In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate code into your N8n workflows in just 5 minutes. This process allows you to leverage the powerful capabilities of JavaScript or Python directly within your automation workflows. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to enhance your workflows with custom code, opening up a whole new realm of possibilities. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. Once on the homepage, you'll notice a clean, intuitive interface designed to make navigation easy and efficient. This is your launchpad for creating automated workflows that can save you time and boost your productivity. Next, you'll want to sign in to your account. Look towards the top right corner of the web page, and you'll find the Sign In option. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're new to N8n, you'll need to create an account, which is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. Logging in ensures that your workflows are saved and accessible from any device connected to the internet. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into the creative process. You'll see a plus icon, which serves as the gateway to adding new functionalities to your workflow. Click on this icon, and from the list of options that appear, select Code. This is where the magic happens. This selection will open the code editor, allowing you to write custom JavaScript or Python code to perform a variety of tasks. With the code node set up, let's explore some of the incredible things you can do. First, you can use the code to add, remove, or update data received from other nodes within your workflow. This is particularly useful when you want to fine-tune the information being processed. Furthermore, integrating with AI models, such as those offered by OpenAI, is made possible. This allows you to create sophisticated, conversational agents that can interact with users in meaningful ways. The power of the code node doesn't stop there. It's designed to unlock a wide range of possibilities, limited only by your imagination and technical acumen. Whether you're developing simple automations or complex systems, custom code in N8n enhances your workflows with the functionality you specifically need. In conclusion, integrating code into your N8n workflows brings customization to a new level. From data manipulation to AI integrations, the possibilities are vast. So go ahead and jump in. Explore the code node and see just how far you can push the boundaries of automation. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial inspires you to create amazing things with N8n. Until next time, happy automating!